Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a deep dive into Amazon stock, Amazon, to see what's happening in the markets and how it's reflected on the charts. The recent news surrounding Amazon seems to be bullish, with multiple reports highlighting the potential for strong growth in profit margins and a boost from record holiday sales, especially with Adobe's projections. However, it's important to remember that news alone doesn't tell the whole story, so let's turn our attention to the charts to see what the data is saying. Looking at the daily chart for Amazon, we can see a clear uptrend developing, with higher highs and higher lows throughout the last several months. The recent price action shows a strong bullish push, with the stock breaking through key resistance levels and currently trading above its 200-day moving average, which is often considered a key indicator of long-term trends. The volume accompanying this price increase is also significant, suggesting strong buying pressure and potentially more upside in the short term. Let's zoom in on the last few weeks to gain a more granular view of the price action. The recent breakout above the 200-day moving average is particularly interesting, as it has historically served as a key support level. The fact that the stock has now decisively broken through this level suggests a strong conviction in the bullish sentiment and could lead to further price gains. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to see what's happening in more detail. We can see a strong bullish momentum on the hourly chart, with the price consistently making higher highs and higher lows. The recent pullback is likely just a minor correction within the overall uptrend and could provide an opportunity for traders to buy on dips. However, there are some potential signs of weakness that we need to be aware of. The current price action seems to be testing the previous resistance level, which could act as a new support level if the price manages to hold above it. The volume on the hourly chart is not as strong as the daily chart, suggesting a potential decline in buying pressure. This could lead to a short-term consolidation or even a minor pullback if the price fails to break through this resistance. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart for an even closer look at the price action. The 15-minute chart shows a clear consolidation pattern, with the price trading within a tight range and no clear direction. This indicates indecision and uncertainty amongst traders and suggests a potential pause in the bullish momentum. It's important to note that the current price action on the 15-minute chart is influenced by the news regarding Amazon's profit margins and holiday sales projections. While the news might be positive, it's too early to say how it will translate into sustained price gains in the long term. The price might fluctuate in the short term based on sentiment and speculation surrounding this news. To summarize, Amazon stock is currently showing a strong bullish sentiment, with the price breaking through key resistance levels and trading above its 200-day moving average. However, there are some signs of weakness on the hourly and 15-minute charts, suggesting a potential short-term correction or consolidation. Key price levels to watch for include the previous resistance level, now potential support, and the 200-day moving average, which could act as a support or resistance level depending on the price action. In the short term, the price could continue to rise if the bullish momentum persists and the stock breaks through the current resistance level. However, a short-term consolidation or pullback is also possible if the buying pressure weakens and the price fails to break through the resistance. In the long term, the bullish sentiment is strong, with the stock trading above its 200-day moving average and showing a clear uptrend. If the stock continues to break through resistance levels and the volume remains strong, we could see further price gains in the long term. However, a sustained decline in buying pressure or negative news could lead to a pullback or even a reversal of the current trend. Overall, Amazon stock is looking bullish, but it's important to be aware of the potential for short-term corrections and to monitor the volume and price action closely. Traders should be cautious in the short term, as the price might consolidate or pull back before continuing its upward trend. Long-term investors are likely in a good position, with the stock showing a strong uptrend and positive news surrounding the company.